We have made it to January, not only as resellers, but people that consistently are focused on bettering ourselves. Today ain't my day, I ain't gonna lie. I don't feel good, I don't feel great, but I know for a fact we gotta go ahead and make this money work for us. Today, I'm going to be not just sitting at a desk and telling you guys, hey, sell this product and sell that product. No, we're gonna actually go over the top 10 products you need to be selling in January. I'll take you guys in a warehouse and we're gonna actually go and look at the options. And then of course, show you guys what I am selling right now. It's a reason I didn't put out what to sell in January 2026 while it was December. Because how the hell do I know it's gonna sell? But it's been 5 days in the month and I've already sold a bunch of products and seen people selling products on eBay automation. I'm gonna break down exactly what they're selling. So definitely make sure you guys are hanging tight. And of course, make sure you're making money work for you. All products that I show will be available at wesply.com for you to actually get for a wholesale price. A wholesale price, not for you to have to pay inflated prices. But I digress, and I'll see you guys in the warehouse. So when you are buying products, it is very important, especially whether you're doing it online or you're doing it in person, to make sure you're inspecting what you expect. Make sure that the products that you're buying are not inflated. Make sure they don't have the same price as the inflated price some of these distributors or suppliers were actually having in December. If you are a reseller that buys from places like Alibaba or AliExpress, those websites, I wouldn't even consider them to be suppliers. I would look at that more like a retail transaction. What you want to make sure is that you understand your target market. Is your target market hurting right now? Are they just tight for money since Christmas just passed? Or is your target market the market that is trying to build that momentum to grow, build, and continue the momentum throughout the 4 quarters? It all depends on who your target market is. I always tell you guys all the time, I'd rather work business to business than business to consumer, because businesses always have money to spend. Again, guys, let's get up in here and let's look at some products that I would recommend for you guys to be getting as soon as possible. Okay, so first I'm going to always start with one of the most popular ones, which just is the 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charging pad. So we have a bunch in stock, as you see, but the biggest point of this is this gives you the flexibility not only to sell online but also in person. This is something you can demo for people, they can utilize, and also bring this on their planes. So this definitely serves a need. This is $10 wholesale. We're reselling this for $18.50 right now on eBay, Amazon, Walmart, and also we are selling it on Facebook. You guys can do the same. This is what the packaging looks like as well. Now, another product I wanted to highlight is going to be these charging stands. These are $7.50 wholesale. We are selling these for around $13.50 on eBay, Amazon, and more. But here's why I would recommend this. This is a low costing product for what it does. This is a charging stand. I love quality. I love the way that the packaging looks. This packaging isn't bad. It's not the best, but it is definitely something that would jump off of shelves and also sell in stores. Okay, next we have these smart light strips. Now, these were selling really well during Christmas, but we're taking this momentum into January. We've already sold 25 units. It is January 5th. Now, what I would assume is people are moving, or they have moved, or they just want to spruce up their rooms. I don't know, but these have been really selling. Now, we usually sell these business to business, but consumer to business has been very, very well. This is a little costly, and this is why one of the things we don't really promote is the little LED strip, because they cost around $27 wholesale, but they are really, really good quality. Now, again, we are still not providing any branded boxes, but this has everything that the regular branded LED lights have. Now, I'm not going to open this because I don't want to unravel it, but it has the controller. It has everything that you need. You can cut it. Now, if you're a store owner like me, you understand how great these LED strip lights work. But again, this is something you can sell to businesses and also to consumers, which gives it another benefit. And I love products that you can both sell to businesses and you can sell to consumers. Now, for all of my resellers that are on a really tight budget and you are trying to sell something that's going to make your money double, this is the S6 headsets, right? And these are really interesting because I wouldn't expect these to sell as good as they do. Now, I'm not saying they fly off the shelves. We've sold around 15 units so far, but these are really consistent sales. So what happens is you can have this and literally stack these up and sell these all year round. And not just that, but the price is amazing. This is $1.50 per unit, and these sell well. They have really good quality. I actually game with these because I don't like over-the-air headsets. So these are really nice. These have really great quality, and I'm telling you right now, you're not going to want to sleep on these wherever you can get them. And again, yes, all products are available at wesply.com. We have white and we also have black, but these are really good quality. You can get these on any website, really. I think that we have the best quality ones. These are AAA, and of course, I love the packaging. All right, so these USB-C 20-watt power adapter bundles, this comes with the power adapter and the cable. These actually cost $6.50 wholesale. Now, look at the box. Look at how simple it looks, but also this holds its value. You can sell this $12.50 in storage. You can sell it for $8.50. You can sell it for $9.50. It is low cost. So this allows you to actually play with the margins a little bit. You can bundle these. We sell these especially on Mercari. Mercari is a high bundle site. Therefore, we're able to take advantage. I will always recommend the 20-watt USB-C power adapter, as this is one of my most congruent and also consistent sales. These sell really well. What I like about these is that the packaging is simple. It's very similar to Apple, but these are really powerful. I don't ever see any slippage in the quality every time we get these. Now, I like the fact that these come sealed at the bottom. They're also not really sealed top, but you can tell it takes a little strength to open. For everybody that has storefronts, you're not going to find that these are getting stole as easy as some of the generic ones are. It has some weight to it. Again, this sells anywhere between $6.50 to $10.50 online. I definitely would sell this on eBay, Mercari, OfferUp, and Facebook. This right here is very consistent. But then you have like other options too. And like the other options can be these, which are really new. I'm just actually seeing this packaging. I don't like it necessarily because it has the 16 USB-C 35-watt power adapter little logo, but I do like the fact that it's 35 watts. I do like the fact that it has this little arrow, because again, the certain packages will protect your merchandise more than you think. Now, let's say that you do have a storefront. You're going to want to get something like this instead of something like this, because this right here is going to prevent you from literally having the device stolen, but it's also going to help you when it comes to brand recognition and brand trust. Now, as you see, packaging is a little bit better, but they then add some of this 16 USB-C verbiage, which kind of messes it up. Now, I'm always going to be selling the iPhone 7 headphones. These are Bluetooth and also connect to the iPhone 7. These right now, they used to be $7 wholesale, guys. These are looking around $5 wholesale. You can even get them for $4.50 depending on how many you buy. But this is a product that you can sell $12.50, $15. People have a hard time finding good iPhone 7 headphones. Then we also have the other version, which is the similar version. See, this is going to be the old packaging, and I love this packaging, but this is going to be the newer, sleek, and also smaller, minimalistic packaging. Me personally, I like this too because it does have that green arrow on the back. So again, they're both the same price. You can sell these for at least $7 profit, literally on Facebook, Amazon, Mercari, OfferUp, and more. Speaking of these headphones, Type-C headphones are really good too. They are low cost as well, but they're higher than the iPhone 7 headphones. Why? Because people are actually buying these way faster than the 7 headphones. So what you need to do is, if you're looking to actually start selling and you want to start priming your eBay, getting good reviews, you want to get something like this, as the Type-C headphones don't have the Bluetooth need because Apple has not been able to block these generic headphones from connecting to iPhones. With the iPhone 7 headphones, Apple can put out updates to stop those headphones, and then the customer has to connect to the Bluetooth. This right here, $5 wholesale. You can get this for even $4.50 if you actually buy a good amount. But again, you can sell this $12.50, $15. It's really good. Okay, again, we are here with the MagSafe Power Battery Pack. This sells well too. This is $8.50 wholesale. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is OEM 5000 mAh. This sells good only, really, in my opinion, because it looks like Apple's, and also it works just like Apple, sticks to the back of the phone, all of the things you already know. But again, sell this on eBay, Mercari, Amazon, and all the platforms, and you'll see the success. It's just all about, honestly, understanding your target market and making sure that you're putting it in front of the right target market for you to exceed. Now, when I'm selling this in bundles more than I'm selling it individually, just to maximize my profit. And again, I'm gonna show you guys all of that in another video, but I will tell you, this is something you definitely want to get. On the bonus, guys, yes, the iPhone Apple Watch chargers, or the Apple iWatch chargers, they sell well too. I don't like the packaging, so I take the plastic off all the time. It has the clings, that's why it has plastic on there. We usually put this in shrink wrap, or most products in shrink wrap that don't have the cling, just to put them on, because we do sell to a lot of store customers, okay? But again, these are really, really good sellers, especially when you want to supply the demand. And again, guys, you get most of these products in the resellers kits, so definitely check these out. When it comes to reselling products, especially this January, including February too, man, I want you guys to buy as much as you can, but also buy smart. Do not spend all of your money, but also don't hold all of your money. People that save their money never actually end up profiting. You just end up with the same amount, or you end up waiting for that rainy day, and then that rainy day takes all of your money. So I wanted to wait before I did this video because it was important to me to make sure that I actually provide you with products that I've also seen sell in January, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys are commenting and, of course, watching my next video. Like and consider subscribing, because I will share more reselling tips and tricks for hustlers like you and me. Okay, so right now I have Hustle 365, and we are looking for more members. If you want to work with me, I built phone flipping and reselling into one wholesale warehouse and 4 phone stores. And if you want to actually be able to source products the right way, but also learn how to resell the right way, I'm talking about on Facebook, Amazon, OfferUp, eBay, Mercari, and all of the platforms. I'll teach you how to turn that one product into more products so that you can actually grow and, most importantly, profit. And I just want to make this clear. It's not about your money, especially your monthly money. Like, I don't want you to pay $99 a month. I'd rather you pay $27 and then spend the rest on the products. Not to mention, you working with me brings you not only a connection, it gives you assets too, because when you join this community, you will be getting this month a free reseller sample kit, which gives you products to actually sample and try out so you could actually get started reselling consistently.